Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm opening up some Happy Mail. If that interests you, stay until the end. Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. The Happy Mail I got today is from Miss Sadie, guys. I will have her information in the description if you're interested in this. I purchased it last year and it's gonna help me to achieve some of the saving goals that I have set for myself for 2025, guys. I did see a recent post, that Miss Sadie, she said her shop is not open right now, but I will still leave her information in the link. So make sure you even follow her page. Not only follow her, well, I guess I shouldn't say follow. Make sure you subscribe to her YouTube page. I will have that information, in the description. So let's get into the things and let's see what I got from her. The butterfly on this card is so cute. Miss Sadie, thank you for supporting me. I support you because you support me, and I love the vibe and the energy that you have, and I appreciate you so much. And I'm praying that 2025 brings everything that you stand in need of, whether it's financially, spiritually, physically, mentally, whatever you stand in need of. I hope that you receive everything that you absolutely deserve. See, guys, you see all this freebies? I mean, first thing I opened up, I have all these freebies from Miss Sadie, and she knows my aesthetic for this page is green and black, and she hooked me up. She hooked me up, guys. Look at this. Let me get my planner, because I'm going to put this paperclip in my planner now. And this big planner is going to work perfect in my planner. And then she gave me that green dice. I'm going to go, let's see, what page should I put this paperclip on? So I really like when I have items from other ladies from the community within my planner because it's a reminder of that person. So I am excited about that. And here's the dice that she gave me, guys. She even gave me some mints. I'm going to put those in my purse. Alright, let's see what else she gave me. Okay, let's open this up. See, she gave me some placeholders. And she gave me a challenge to work on. I'm going to definitely have to add this one too. I'm going to have to add it to my spreadsheet. It's something that I'm going to work on this year. So let me get my sinking funds binder so I can go ahead and add the placeholders in here. Hopefully I can save up enough money so I can use more of the placeholders that I have, because I have quite a few now. Okay, and I'm going to add this challenge to, I think I'm going to add this to the binder where I have my scratch offs at. Yeah, I think that's why I'm going to add this one to that binder. So let me get that one. Yeah, I just need to add it to my spreadsheet and add it to my other planner as something that I'm going to work on. Okay. And like this pouch right here, guys. I didn't order this. This is another freebie. I love pouches. Let me get my scissor. So this pouch right here that she gave me, the zipper, let's see what it does. Okay, I thought it was a pocket right there. Okay, so it goes all around. So it's the expandable pouch. Man, I like this. Thank you, Miss Sadie. I like this. I'm so looking forward to using that. Okay, so now let me go ahead. I need to get my dice roller so I can add this dice in it. Alright, so when I do use this, I will have this in there. Okay, so if I saw this on a video that Miss Sadie did. I can't remember when I saw it, guys, but when she was talking about it, I got excited, guys, because she was talking about In the Black, talking about double lines and all that, guys. And if you know, you know. When you hear certain things, you already know what it is. So I was like, yes, I must get this. So that's the tracker that comes with this system that I purchased from Miss Sadie, and I'm excited about doing this year. I mean, she just said those terms, guys, and I haven't been working in accounting in probably about, 6 or 7 years now, guys. So I don't get to hear the terminology that much. But when I heard Miss Sadie saying those words, things I went to school for, and something I used to be extremely passionate about, I was like, yes, this box is for me. And plus, it goes with the aesthetic I'm going for in 2025. Now, I had never had a box system like this, guys. And if you've been following my page, most of you know I do not like folding my money. Um, when I'm cash stuffing. But guys, I would try it out. And I'm looking forward to doing this. And it's okay to do something different. And I am loving these envelopes because like it just truly goes with the aesthetic that I'm going for 2025. So I'm really looking forward to this. But when she was saying those key terms, the double lines, In the Black, it just brought back so many memories that got me all excited because the accounting terms, guys. And so when I did work in accounting, guys, it was something that I absolutely love, passionate about, and during month end close, during the times of doing reports, and for the audits, I absolutely love those moments. The adrenaline just rush. Oh my gosh, I can't explain it, but I used to love it. So I am excited about that. So that was drew me to the Savers Challenge in the Black and those double lines, guys. And I was like, you know what? I can do this. And because what I want to save for 2025, I thought this would be a great addition to add to my savings plans. So this is my happy mail. So thank you, Miss Sadie. Thank you, guys. Just remember, invest in your future. Track your savings. Toodles.